So the question is how can you get causation from association? You can't. But if you look at the Bradford-Hill criteria, there is a way that you can potentially make a strong argument for causation if there's something called a dose-response curve. In other words, if you can show, you're not just comparing two things, but you're comparing three or more, if you can show that as you increase the variable, that there is a change in the output, that is strongly suggestive of potentially causation. By the way, this is exactly what we did to show that smoking causes lung cancer. Obviously, we can't do a randomized control trial. Here, you get to smoke, you don't get to smoke. We'll follow up in 20 years to see who has lung cancer. This is exactly what we did. We showed that there was such a strong association with cancer risk with smoking that we were able to say, through association, that smoking causes lung cancer. By the way, Richard Weller, who's a dermatologist in England, did just last year a very similar study as to the Swedish study, except it was 10 times bigger, and he did it with both men and women.